Alright, so today our lesson is about concepts of tens. Our vocabulary for this lesson is tens, ones, and a 10 frame. A 10 frame is a block that's cut up into 10 different squares. So this is a tens. It has 10 ones on it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, and they're all connected, so this is 10. And then these are our ones. And you're going to put them on your 10 frame like this. And then when you put them all together, it will look like this, and this will be our tens. So today we have a little activity that we're going to work with that has to do with our vocabulary for this unit, which is tens, ones, and a 10 frame. So this lesson we're going to do is we have a dice, and then we have our Unifix cubes, and you're going to roll the dice. I got 5, so then I put 5 cubes on my 10 frame. And then once you get all of your 10 frame put together, you put it in the 10 sign because you have 10 and these are our ones. So can you roll the dice and show me how you were going to do this? You can use these pieces for your ones. So you got 2. So how many do you put on your 10 frame?
2.
Good job. So now roll again. 3. So now how many cubes do you have?
5.
Good job. So let's roll again. 5. Do you have 5 more?
I think so.
Is your 10 frame all filled up?
It is.
Okay, so now you have to make a 10. Can you put them all together so it looks like this?
Yes. I did it.
Perfect. Now put it in the 10 spot. How many cubes do we have all together then?
10.
Okay, so we have no ones, right? There's no ones in our 10 frame.
Nope.
Okay, so let's try it one more time, and you can use this one, and I'll break it up for you. Roll again.
2.
2. Now fill up your 10s frame. How many do you have? If you have 1 10 and 2 ones, how much is that?
12.
Good job. So when you have 2 ones and a 10, you put that together and it makes 12. Try again. 5. Okay, now put 5 cubes on your 10 frame. Perfect. Okay, can you roll again? 3. Oh, you're doing this perfectly. Now how many ones do we have?
10.
Okay, let's put those together and see how much we have with our 10s.
3. I did it.
Perfect. Now put it in our 10s. How many cubes do we have together now?
20.
Perfect. And how do you know that you have 20?
Because I have 2 10s.
Perfect. Okay, I think you kind of got the hang of it, so I'm going to try to trick you now. What if I have 1 10s and 4 ones? How many do I have?
14.
Good job. Okay, I'm going to try to trick you one more time, and let's see if you got it. What if I have that many ones? How many do you have?
7.
And we have 7 ones, and how many 10s?
1 10 and 7 ones.
How many is that together?
17.
Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to take away all the cubes, and you can erase your board with that paper towel. Yeah. Yes, erase it, and then you can use this whiteboard, and I'm going to assess you. Yep. Okay, so now I'm going to show you cubes, and you're going to write down how much the number is, okay?
Okay.
So I have a 10 right here, and then I have 4 ones. Can you write down what number that is? Perfect, good job. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. And now I'm going to bring in 2 tens. And then 5 ones. What is that number? Perfect. Good job. That is 25 because we have 2 groups of 10 and 5 ones. So 2 groups of 10 is 20 and then 5 ones is 5. So together it's 25. All right, we'll try one more. Now we have 4 groups of 10 and 3 ones. Can you write down what that is? Perfect, you're so good at this. Okay, now I'm gonna have you, I'm gonna write down a number and I'm gonna have you figure out what the tens are with the cubes. All right, so you can use these cubes. Your number is going to be 37. How many tens and how many ones am I gonna need?
1, 2, 3.
Perfect, good job. That is 37 because we have 3 groups of 10, which gives you our 30, and then 7 ones, which gives us 7. So 37. Okay, let's try one more time. Let's see. What about this one? Beautiful. Good job. Okay, so we have 4 tens, which gives us our 40, and then we have 1 1, which gives us our 1 and the 41. I'm going to try to trick you one more time, and you try to tell me what it is. What about this one? Good job! So we only need our ones, right? Because we don't have anything in our 10 spot. So we only used 5 cubes for 5. Perfect. Good job. Now, we're going to put all these away, and we're going to talk about what groups of 10s are. So when you have 10 groups of ones, that's equal to 10 to a 10, right?
Right.
Yeah. Okay, so now let's talk about how 10 groups of these, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we have these, which equals to be 10. How many is that number then?
100.
Perfect, 100. So, when we have 10 groups of 10, that is 100. You did a great job today, and when you go home tonight, you should tell your parents about how much you learned with groups of 10s. You did such a good job. High five.
Thank you, Miss Doro.
How long was that?